of the train. I'm just getting ready to record. Might be coming soon. So, it's right. Because I hear something. If it doesn't come, I'll delete this video. Like, that's a little blurry. There you go. Because the train, like, literally just came.
Man, boy, if I had his size in middle school, I'd be like lean on jokers, bro.
Uh-oh. You hear that, guys? Oh my god, guys. Guys. Oh my god, there's a bus right there. Move, bus. You're gonna get hit by the train. Move, bus. Please. Move, bus. Please move. Move, bus. Here. Move, bus. Move, bus.
Okay, you should hold it.
It's coming in slow. Oh my god, this might be a freight train. This might be a freight train. This might be a freight train. Oh my god, guys, this might be a freight train. Please, come on. Yes, this might be a freight train, guys. Oh my god, I hear it. There's so many people on this field. Oh, this is a freight train. I'm gonna scream this. Yes, it was a freight train. I knew it. Yeah! I got the freight train, guys. I just knew it. It was coming in slow. Yay, bro!
That was money ball, dog. That was money.
Yo, why does it sound like that?
Huh?
Do you hear how it sounds like that? It's going like tick, tick, tick.
Love them damn train.
This might be a long video. It's literally shaking the ground.
Let's go. Back up. Let's go.
It's shaking the ground. I love that sound.
You ever rode on the train with me?
No?
You gotta take them on one.
I ain't never rode on one either.
Me neither. Shit. I don't know what that's like.
You can catch one from like Greensboro to Raleigh.
Exactly.
But I want to do shit.
Oh, that's it.
I did go.
Bye-bye, freight train. See you some other time.
He might be knocked out. Yeah, he got hit hard the way he stumbled.
Okay, cars, you can move now.
It looked like somebody in the sideline grabbed it.
Nah, he got
Well,
out of bounds. It was
I saw another train, but it was a different one.
I only got one kind of